Hello friends, we're in Old Town Hanoi. We just flew in from Nha Trang a couple hours ago. It is now mid-afternoon, way past lunchtime already, and we got here just in time to get the last few bowls of Bun Cha at Bun Cha Tuyet restaurant. After lunch, we stumbled upon this Jia shop, located on the same block as Bun Cha Tuyet. Nguyen Xua Jia is not on our list of places to visit, but they serve Jia Co, which is hard to find in the US. So I decided to give it a try.
Is it good?
Ron and I really like it, but the boys, not so much.
How was it? It's alright? Not for you?
We're getting Ca Ca for dinner at Ca Thang Long, considered one of the best Ca Ca restaurants in Old Town Hanoi. This one received a Michelin badge in 2023. I always get Ca Ca here every time I'm in Hanoi. The food here is fabulous and the service excellent. The young staff is friendly and polite. I counted 4 different servers for our table. Yes, 4. This restaurant is not to be missed.
Okay, let me get a shot of the final product.
Accent. Yeah.
Say it again?
I can't understand the northern accent.
Yeah, that's a northern accent.
I have no idea what you said. Utah, that kind of stuff. I have no idea what you said. Not a word. I heard that, but what was he talking about? What the hell was he saying?
After ice cream, we're walking back to our hotel, and I once again put myself in harm's way to film the crazy traffic of Old Town Hanoi for my viewers. I hope they can appreciate that.
12 o'clock midnight.
My hotel, Hanoi Rex, has a sky bar on the top floor with a spectacular view at night. So, I'm up there right now trying to get some aerial shots of the city lights. Unfortunately, as I'm about to deploy my drone, I get a warning message on my controller that I'm in a no-fly zone. Ah, what a bummer.
Day 2.
We got up early this morning and bought some bánh xay and jacom from a nearby store and brought it back to our hotel for breakfast. I love bánh xay and jacom, a traditional northern Vietnamese breakfast item, whereas my boys prefer the good old American breakfast, sausage and bacon.
Yeah, try that first, see if you like it. Yeah, it's easier.
It's bacon. What do you expect?
This is my third year in a row visiting Hanoi. Today, we're going to check out Hoàng Kim Lake, Lý Thái Tổ Park, and Nhà Thờ Lớn, the big church. It's mostly for my boys since it's their first time in Hanoi. Right now, we're getting a quick snack at Mickey D's. Both my boys love fried chicken and want to try the fried chicken at McDonald's, which is something they don't have in the US.
Start with nut first. Coffee. Do they have that in the US?
back at Bun Rieu Co Hoan. Used to have to walk through a narrow alley to get to the dining area, but at least it got better lighting now, and the walls have been upgraded with new tiles. Two things have been changed, the price and the quality of the Bun Rieu. We're lucky to get the last two bowls because it's already way past lunchtime and they're virtually out of food to serve. My boys are normally not big fans of Bun Rieu, but they devoured everything, balut and all. If you're a Bun Rieu person, this place is not to be missed.
I wonder if it's open for the public right now. No, we're gonna knock on the door and see if it's open for the public. Push on the door.
After the Buddhist temple, it started to rain, so we went to the Aeon Super Shopping Center outside of Old Town Hanoi to take shelter from the rain. There, we stumbled upon Jollibee, a well-known Filipino fried chicken restaurant. Jollibee is very popular in the Bay Area, California. We love their fried chicken. My boys are legit fried chicken connoisseurs, and they just want to try some new flavors that aren't available in the US. We're now back in Old Town Hanoi. The rain has tapered off, so we're just strolling around and come across this Domino's restaurant. I take a quick look at the menu and notice a seafood section, something we don't have in the US. So I gotta give it a try. Besides, my boys are also big fans of pizza.
Okay, dig in, guys. Dig in. Bon appetit, gentlemen. First reaction? Good? Chance? He's a tough critic. Never invite him over for dinner. How about you? Good?